Storms Tech Channel here, and today I'm being ready about the Moto Razr 2026 for Verizon Prepaid. So the Moto Razr 2026 is not her at Verizon Prepaid. It's available now in 3 color options. You guys will have these 3 colors to choose from there. So you guys have this color. They're all Pantone colors. You guys have this color, and then you guys have this one. So very cool there. Very nice looking phone, and there it is with the phone being open and whatnot. 128 gigabytes of storage there. So yeah. So the Moto Razr 2026 is $799.99 for retail price. So do keep it in mind. So there's the front and back. You guys can get your external display there, the dual cameras and whatnot. There it is with the phone wide open and closed. There's the back of the phone. You guys got your screen and your Motorola logo there on the back indented, and your Razr logo there on the back of the phone there as well. There's the phone closed with the internal display, with the external display. Sorry. There it is, the internal display. There it is. So you guys, so like I said, $799.99 for retail price. It says here, do more without opening. The Moto Razr puts everyday essentials right at your fingertips with a 3.6-inch external display that lets you run full apps, reply to messages, and stay connected at a glance. Capture photos and videos and new ways using Flex View in a powerful dual 50 megapixel main camera system built for creative flexibility. When you want more room, unfold a vibrant 6.9-inch display for immersive entertainment and seamless multitasking. With over 36 hours of battery life and fast temper power charging, it keeps up with your day, finished in distinctive Pantone colors and engineered with military-grade durability. It's built to go wherever life takes you. The new Moto Razr, small flip, big possibilities. All right. So that's nice. So super smart assistant. Do more with Moto AI, Gemini, and Perplexity. AI tools that help you search, create, and stay organized. Do more without opening. Stay in the loop on this 3.6-inch external display. Reply to messages, check updates, and use apps without flipping open the phone. So that's a very cool feature. So yeah, endless ways to capture photos and videos in new ways using Flex View, gestures, and pro-grade camera design to creative capture. All right. Since everyday 6 hours of power, go non-stop with over 36 hours of battery life and fast 30-watt turbo power charging. Fully immersive, fully open, unfolded vibrant 6.9-inch display for immersive entertainment, gaming, and multitasking. Iconic design built to last. Ultra compact, foldable with premium Pantone finishes and materials engineered with military-grade durability. Super. Okay, I just read that one. Yeah, I just read that. Alright. So it has a alright, so the design, so when the phone's open, we're talking about the dimensions here now. So when the phone's open, it's 0.3 inches depth. When it's closed, it's 0.6 inches depth. The width of the phone when it's open, 0.3 inches. When it's closed, it's 0.6 inches, so about the same as the depth. The length. So I guess it did length, and I think it did width and depth the same for some reason. So the length of the phone is 2.9 inches. When it's open, when it's closed, it's 2.9 inches as well. Interesting. The height of the phone, when it's open, 6.7 inches. When it's closed, it's 3.5 inches. So compact there. Takes Type-C, obviously. Colors, you have Pantone colors there. 3 colors to choose from, so that's very nice. It has the Moto Razr weighs 6.6 ounces. The next materials you have titanium reinforced hinge IP48 dust and underwater protection up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Corning Gold Glass Victus. There's your accessibility settings. You have Google Gemini, Google Assistant, Better AI, and all that. Battery is up to 595 hours of standby time, 4,800 milliamps, 58 hours of usage time. Power center, wireless charging, fast charging, has 4G LTE, has Wi-Fi 6E, and stuff like that. So very nice. Hard ratings. Has 5G nationwide. And of course, it supports 5G ultra wideband as well. It's a world device which works in over 200 countries, depending on what plan that you guys have. You have wireless emergency alerts. Cameras is a 32 megapixel front-facing camera, rear camera 50 megapixel, main camera with optical image stabilization, instant all pixel focus, Pantone, validated color and skin tones. You have a ultra wide macro camera as well. Video is Full HD at 30 frames per second. I'm surprised they don't do 4K, which is interesting. Camera mode, you have Ultra HDR, Auto Night Vision, Auto Smile Capture, Photo Abuse, Portrait Mode, Night Vision, Image Stabilization, Macro Pro Mode, Face Retouch, Dual Capture, Air Adjuster, Live Filter, Panorama, Tilt, Shift, Ultra Resolution, Scan, External Display, Preview, Instant Preview, Capture, Camera Cartoon, and Mirror Mode. Performance has Bluetooth 5.4, 120 gigabytes of storage and 8 gigabytes of RAM. Has a MediaTek Dimensity 7450X processor, which is octa-core, Android 16 on board. We'll go Android 17. I'm most likely sure on that. But it comes with Android 16 right now, so not bad. That's the latest and greatest as I'm recording this video here. May 28, 2026. Security options, you have fingerprint reader, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor. It does have hotspot, 120 Hz refresh rate. External display has a 90 Hz refresh rate, which still isn't bad at all, still pretty good. The internal display, 6.9 inches, LTPS, Extreme AMOLED display. External display, size 3.6 inches, LTPO, Extreme AMOLED. 22:9 aspect ratio, and yeah. So what comes in the box is your Moto Razr 2026 smartphone. You get guides and manuals, obviously, SIM ejection tool, Type-C charging cable. So you just send itself in the box there. You'll need a charger. For that, you'll need a turbo power charger. So I would recommend getting that. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have the Moto Razr 2026. It's not available at Verizon Prepaid for $799.99 for retail price. So if you guys are looking to get the newest Moto Razr, Verizon Prepaid has you covered with that, with their contracts, of course, no hidden fees. $799.99 for retail price there. So yeah, definitely worth checking out. Brand names are confirmed. It comes in 3 colors. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, man. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.